Question 1, which particle has the most number of electrons? So let's look at the 4 different options. Option A, sodium atom has 11 electrons, the atom. Okay, so to form the ion, it will form Na plus. That means 11 minus 1, you have 10 electrons. Okay, next, we have hydrogen chloride. So hydrogen has 1 electron and chlorine has 17 electrons. So chemical formula will be HCl, that will be 1 plus 17, gives us 18 electrons. Okay, next, molecule of water is H2O. So hydrogen will have 1 and oxygen will have 8. Okay, so H2O will be 2 plus 10, sorry, not 2 plus 10, 2 plus 8 gives us 10 electrons. Okay, D, oxygen and oxide ion. So oxygen atom has 8 electrons. Okay, so O has 8 electrons. And oxygen has 6 valence electrons. So electronic configuration will be 2.6. So it will need 2 more electrons. Okay, so an ion of oxide and oxide ion will have actually 2 plus 6 plus 2. That is 10 electrons. Okay, so you form the O2 minus charge. So in this case, answer is B, as B has 18 electrons. It has the most number of electrons.